1,000 subscriber videos coming up very soon, guys. I just wanted to make sure that I had the car in a decent running condition, you know, just running tip top before I got out on the road and did this video for you guys and had some fun on the streets. So we're getting there. We're getting there. I just need to make sure everything's good before I put it on the road, because we definitely wouldn't have made it on the road with how it was when I picked it up. So it didn't have any fluids and stuff in it, so no, you know, no coolant. That would have killed the engine quick. But you know, the oil, all that stuff, man, like it wasn't ready. It wasn't ready. So yeah, definitely gonna make sure the car is tip top, good to go before we do this video. And I already have people lined up for this. Talked to a buddy of mine. We're gonna look into some drone footage. I got my Sony a7 III with the gimbal, the Ronin S gimbal, for some amazing like steady shots we're gonna get, and just smooth shots. The GoPro, might have to pick up another GoPro too, but I'm gonna play around with a 360 camera also, especially for Woodward, because that's gonna be like one of the best places to have it, because there's gonna be stuff going on all around while driving. But I'm gonna do a 360 camera also, and yeah, we're gonna hit it up. We're gonna go downtown Indy. We're gonna hit some main streets around here where I live, and just have some fun. So I know I told you guys several times in the previous videos the plan for 2019 was just to shut it down. So I gotta come even harder now for the rest of this summer, because we missed, you know, a nice chunk of summer so far, just trying to get this back on track. So from here on out to the rest of summer, Malibu's gonna go hard. It's gonna go stupid hard. So stay tuned. And I miss you guys. I miss you guys so much, man. So let me know what you guys think on the Malibu so far, and I'll get some pictures on Instagram uploaded so you can see some stuff from the video shoot, and yeah, just stuff between now and when I picked up the car. So I'm gonna start getting these videos uploaded that I recorded, and we'll get some new stuff up for you guys too. Before I forget, with the Malibu, one of the biggest things that I wanted to make sure I had this ready for was, and I didn't tell you guys this on the previous videos, but I want to get this out to Times Square on Broadway and in New York. But I want to get this out there and cruise, you know, do some nighttime cruising in Times Square with the Malibu. So we're gonna try to make that happen super soon. We lost a lot of time this summer, you know, just trying to get this together. So I got to get some stuff scheduled. 703 Cruisin, man, I'm so sorry. This threw me off track big time. I wasn't expecting to do all the stuff when I got the car back, but it's back up and going now. I'm gonna try to link up with you to see what your schedule looks like and what the rest of the summer is looking like for your stuff going on, and we'll get this out there. But for any of you guys out there in the New York, in the Jersey area, or want to come out there to New York, to Times Square and cruise, do some lowrider cruising, let me know. Because at first I was just gonna go do it by myself. But if any of you are down for some cruising, let me know. I'm more than happy to have you guys come along, get some videos in, have some good time, get some food, and just make it a night to remember. So all right, guys, so I'm going to get going, but thanks for watching. I really miss you guys, and I appreciate all the love and support. There's people reaching out on Instagram and stuff, and on YouTube asking, you know, where I was, where I've been, how's the Malibu, you know, where's the Malibu. I appreciate all the love, guys. So sorry for being MIA. I just had a curveball thrown at me with this, and I'm back now. I'm back. So I hope you guys missed me. I definitely missed you, and I look forward to getting some more videos for you guys. So we're gonna have some fun, guys. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Oh, and then also, please remember, if this is your first time watching, please subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think of the video, the cars, all my vehicles. We're going to have some projects coming up on with upgrades and custom stuff, so and a lot of trips coming up and stuff too. So a lot of fun stuff coming up. But let me know what you guys think if this is your first time watching, and if you're already a subscriber, thanks for coming back, and let me know where you guys are located. I'm really trying to pinpoint where these viewers are coming in from. So if you guys are down for the Posse on Broadway cruise in Times Square, let me know. We'll make it happen, and talk to you guys soon. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.